Hey guys, welcome back. I am with my Barbie, and she is my traditional heeled Barbie with the high heels. And we have something fun. It is, are you ready? I love it. It's another outfit. I got this one at the dollar store as well. Aren't they great? I love that we are getting authentic Barbie with these cute little bags. I love these bags. Like, I have been keeping these and using them to store all my cute little Barbie stuff in. I love the bags, and they have the little hangers so you can hang them. This outfit, unlike this one that we all remember I thought was a vet, and it's actually a doctor or a nurse or I don't know, dentist. I mean, I think it's a doctor because of the band-aids, but she could be a nurse. She could be ER. She could be anything she wants because it's Barbie. I guess she could still be a vet. There's band-aids. I don't know. We're getting off topic. I have this outfit. Beautiful high heels. Look at that stunning necklace. And the dress. Dollar stores are the places. Can I get this open? Did I bring scissors? I probably didn't bring scissors. I got it out. Okay. Dollar stores are becoming the greatest place to get these things. And I watch now. Is it stuck? Is it? Okay. This one. Oh my gosh. This one is stiff. They are supposed to like glide. Look how easy this one glides. Right? This one was hard. I don't know. There's nothing stopping it. Now I'm confused. Let's try. I guess maybe it was just the first one. I don't know. No, it's stuck. Okay. Dollar stores are becoming, let's get this out, the best place. Really? Really? Oh my goodness. Okay. That was harder than it needed to be. But dollar stores are becoming the best place to get Barbie. Whether it be like our Chelsea outfit where it's the Dollar Tree brand, or our Dollar Tree, this one, the swimming suit, or it's authentic Barbie. Make sure, especially in this economy, you are checking dollar stores and discount stores. Because in Walmart, at least by me, these outfits can be $5 to $7, if not more. And at the Dollar Tree, they're under $5. Dollar Tree, what? They're under $2. They're not real Barbie, unless it's the shoe accessory packs. And at Dollarama, these are like $4. So check your discount stores because it is a 2002 copyrighted, made with recycled material, authentic Barbie. You're getting the dress, and this one I'm not a fan of. This is also from the dollar store, and the fabric, I guess because it's made out of recycled plastic. I don't know. Where's this one? See, her coat feels the same. Her dress is at least nice. This one, based on feel, not so good. But I had to use this Barbie instead of my beautiful blue-haired one because of the high heels. She's got flat feet. She's got heeled feet. We're going to have to try it on her. So, Miss Barbie, you are not going to be a doctor anymore. I mean, you'll still be a doctor. You're just going out on the out. I don't know. Or you want to dress up at home. Let's get everything off. I love when you get shoes. Oh, I just threw the shoes. I love when you get shoes, and I didn't bring the scissors. This one has an actual different background. Do you see that? It's all cute bee. I wonder if we cut it. Like, you could cut that and keep that, maybe. I don't know. Even just a couple of them. I think we can keep this for now. You know what? We're going to have to go through my craft supplies because I have so many, because I keep keeping things like that. Like, really, it's getting bad. I still have this that I said we could make into a pool. I don't know. Like, we've got to clean out my craft stuff because there is just so much. But for now, we'll keep this. If we don't come up with something, then we'll get rid of it. Anyway, back on topic. I am just bouncing all over. It's like one of those things, follow the bouncing ball. I'm going all over. Let's get, where did I just flick the shoe? Oh, Watch my arms. I'm sorry. Look, there's that tag. There's the shoes, and here is the dress. Now, I mean, this looks like it came from this looks like it came from Dollar Tree. No offense to Dollar Tree, but oh my. Oh my. Look at the fabric. Look at the stitching. This looks like Dollar Tree quality. Barbie, Mattel, what are you doing? I mean, I guess if we put the ruffle down, but you couldn't put the ruffle all the way around. I mean, there's a hole in this dress right here just from pulling the tag out. Little ones are not going to play nice with their doll outfits. I mean, at least it has two things of Velcro. You know what? Let's just try it on her and see. Okay, ready? Like, even these feel... I'm going to move her off to the side. The stitching on these, right? Like, at least it's... Look at the difference. Okay, I'm going to flip this inside out. Look at how it's sewn together. Look at the seams. Okay, look at the seams. Look at the seams. The quality. Mattel, the quality's going down. Now, these are at the dollar stores because they're not selling well and they're liquidated, at least to my dollar stores. Dollarama liquidates. I wouldn't pay $7 or more for this outfit. This is cheap. This looks cheap. I'm not happy with this. Let's see it on our doll. Can I get her arms in without breaking? Because these straps look thin. Hey, Barbie. Okay, here's her dress. I'm just going to turn her head. I don't think these will fit anything other than the standard. I don't even like calling her the standard Barbie. It's actually a little snug. It's actually, oh my gosh. Oh no, I didn't even put it on her right. These things go through, okay. These things go through her arms. Oh my goodness. Great video skills right now. Me trying to get a Barbie into her dress. Okay. So you put the arm through the strap and then, oh my, this is not play friendly. Like, okay, let's do this side. Oh my gosh. I'm just yanking Barbie by the hair. It's fine. Strap and then, oh my gosh, through. Okay. Look at her thumbs are getting stuck. Her head is backwards. Is it going to make it fit any better? Honestly, this is snug. I don't like this. Okay. There you go. Oh my, what is that? Okay. Let me grab her for a closer look. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. Now there's another hole. Look at the darts. Like the darts aren't even, oh my gosh. Can that be, okay. I don't know. I think it goes like that. Okay. Opinions? I think if someone tried to put this dress on me, I would look hideous. This is not a nice Barbie dress. This is not a nice outfit. Oh, look, the strap. Like Barbie, oh my gosh. This is going to be hard for little ones to put on because it has this and this. And it's only going to fit the tiny waisted Barbie, your stereotypical Barbie. It is not going to fit a fashionista. I don't get the point of this. Like, I don't understand. It doesn't even go side to side. This side hits, oh my. I don't like this one. I don't. Let's get the necklace on. The necklace is gorgeous. It has a little bow right there and pearls. And I don't know what that is supposed to be. Good gracious. I can't even get it on her neck. Oh my. There we go. Okay. Well, I mean... It dresses it up a little bit. Here's the shoes. I love a good Barbie shoe. Yeah, that looks cute. Do they have the bee? They have a Barbie hat there. No. Do you see that? They only have the Barbie head. They don't have the bee on the bottom. I'm not liking this change. Okay. There are the shoes. They look like big, right? Like they look big. I wonder if they would fit. I'm going to take one off. Do you think that they would fit? Here's Barbie. Oh my. Okay, she does not. What is she supposed to be, like a prom? Is she going to a prom? Oops, a wedding, a fancy party? I don't know. Can she not? Barbie, work with me. There you go. She's, I don't like this. She's not looking good. This is not a when we look at this, like, and I thought this one was a low quality outfit because of the print. My blue-haired Barbie is rocking it. See, can we get the flat? Okay, all right. So the way these heels are, yeah, she can stand. The way these heels are, they can also fit a flat-footed Barbie. I don't know. I'm going to put them back on to our party Barbie. It's cheap. It looks cheap. It looks cheap. This looks like I put Barbie in a dollar store dress. I mean, I can see why this one was liquidated. Oh my. Oh my, I don't like this. Let me know in the comments. Do you like this? If you're giving this to kids, I would maybe pass on this one. I mean, the necklace is beautiful. The shoes are cute. I mean, if you go into it just buying the necklace. I mean, if you're just buying the necklace, sure. Or the shoes. Yeah, I don't like this. I am struggling to find anything positive about this. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Was this a hit or a miss? I think my favorite part is the packaging. I like the bees. I like how there's bee. I like that instead of the other one that was more, was it like pinks and purples? I like the background on this one. Yeah, that's all I have to say this time. Thank you for the plastic pouch. This is bad, guys. This is really bad. But let me know in the comments if you've seen this at Target or Walmart or Five Below and how much this would cost in the United States, or if you've seen this at Dollarama. I think if I saw it again, I'd skip it. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you all next week.